Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Pooled Analysis and choose Pooled Strip Plot Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the location or season or year column. Next comes the row treatment column. Then select the column, treatment column. Next comes the blocks column. And then select the variables. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. Detailed ANOVA tables for individual characters is available in Individual ANOVA tab. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Basic Plots tab to create box plots. Violin plots mean value plots, connected line plots, and bar graphs. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. If you want more power, the Advanced Plot tab gives you access to insightful, customizable visualizations. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. And if you have got 3 or more set of observations, use the multivariate tools to perform PCA in the Multivariate tab with downloadable results at your fingertips. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.